In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post a photo on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. And first of all, we need to tap right here and this plus sign. If we tap on it, we'll be able to share any our photo or video from a camera roll as a post, story, reel or live. Let's say I would like to share my photo in my regular Instagram post, so I can just scroll down through all of my photos in my camera roll, and then if I would like to share a photo, I can just tap on it to select it and then hit add next. On the next step, we can add a filter, I like that one, to our picture, and then to continue we need to tap add next. Then we can write a caption for that photo. We can tag someone in that simple way. Just tap at this function, and then to tag some person we can just tap at a picture. Then just start typing someone's username, and then in that simple way we can tag multiple users at one photo. Also, if we would like, we can add a location to that photo, and then if we would like to share it to Facebook, we can also turn that option on. However, if you would like just to post it on Instagram, keep it turned off. Once you are done with that, to share a picture, just tap at share. And then if we go to our profile page, we can check that the photo has just been posted.